Hey superstar, it's Gavin here from Wake Up Fulfilled. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for light workers and empaths who want to manifest an inspired life. And in this video, I'm going to show you the magic money wallet technique so you can manifest more money into your life and really create abundance and the lifestyle that you want. Now leave a comment below saying I am a superstar, oh yes, in order to win my sleep shifting course. We select 3 winners a day and there'll be 3 winners on screen right now. Be sure to DM me on Instagram if you have won and come back and watch my videos to see if you've won in the next video. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the magic wallet technique, there's 3 steps to making this happen and manifesting more money into your life. Now, #1 is you need a fresh wallet, okay, or a fresh purse. The reason why you want a fresh purse and a fresh wallet is because you want to have new, fresh energy. Okay, so if your wallet's banged up a bit or your purse is banged up a bit, is a bit old, you know, the cards in there have stretched out the wallet a little bit, and you know, if you turn your wallet upside down, everything just falls out and stuff like this. If it's unorganized and there's lots of papers and receipts in there, okay, this is showing that you need to get a new wallet, okay, and create a new wallet and become more organized. New wallet, new energy. So what I recommend is getting a wallet that's a little bit more luxurious. Like, it doesn't have to be expensive, but it has to have, you know, a decent price point where it has like good levers or whatever material you want it to be, and it needs to look like something that is, you know, quite expensive, quite, you know, nice, a little bit luxurious. You know what I mean? Like, it can't be like a cheap $3 wallet. You know, it needs to be something that's like quite nice. Treat yourself to a nice wallet. It will help making this technique much easier. It will help you bring in the emotions of abundance into your life. Okay, so spend a decent coin on your wallet, on your new purse, and once you've got that, you don't need to buy a designer or anything like that, by the way, just something that's nice. My wallet was around $25–30, should I say around $40, should I say, in UK pounds. It was around £30 UK pounds. Okay, so get a fresh wallet, okay, and you're starting over the finances, starting over with a new way of using your money. Now, tip #2 here is actually to get play money. Now, the play money can actually be real money, or it can be actually play money. You can go to Amazon.com and type in play money. And back in the day, when I was making a lot of money and traveling the world, I used to carry around these $1 million bills in my wallet. Literally, and it was a great icebreaker with people, you know, because people are into the law of attraction. I was around spiritual people sometimes and people who are into like business and success, and these people are interested in the law of attraction. And what I did is I was sharing with them, hey, look, I've got $1 million in my wallet. Hey, here's $1 million. You want $1 million, right? And so you can get these $1 million notes. You can get like different play notes, and they look real. They look realistic. You can find realistic notes, and then you keep them in your wallet, in your purse. And what you can do, you can use this to facilitate the emotion of what it would be like to have that. And every time you go into your wallet, you see it and you experience it, and your subconscious mind perceives $1 million note. And it's like, whoa, $1 million note. Feeling the feelings of having $1 million note. You see how that works? And when your mind keeps seeing that over and over and over again in your wallet, what's going to happen? This is what you're going to manifest. It's like a vision board, right? And so you can use your wallet as a vision board. And so I know some people don't necessarily resonate with play money. It works for me. Sometimes it don't work for you. If you feel awkward about it, if it feels weird, then you don't need to use it. You can use real money. Okay, so withdraw $100, $200, $300. Withdraw the amount that you're afraid to lose. Right? Withdraw the amount that you're afraid to lose. If you're afraid to lose $300, then take out $300. If you're afraid to use $100, then do that and then have that in your wallet, okay? But you're going to use it as play money. You're not going to spend it. And the reason you want to use money that you're afraid to lose is because you want to start invoking this emotion of abundance and having that kind of money to spend every day, you see. And if you feel uncomfortable with losing that, then you're not in an abundant state. right? You shouldn't be afraid of losing $100 or even $300. You should be like, yeah, whatever, right? If you want to make more money in your life, right? So that's the frequency we need to understand. If you're a millionaire and you lose $100, $300, it's not that much of a problem for you because you probably make that in an hour, right? You see how that works? And so that's what you want to kind of understand and program into your subconscious mind so that you become more abundant around the area of money. Okay, so step number 3, once you got your play money, right, you can put all your cards in there, pictures of your family, all that stuff. You can put all that stuff back in there, all right, and you can keep coins in there and stuff like this, whatever you want to do, put your cards in there. Just make sure it's neat, okay? And with the notes as well, what I suggest is make sure the notes are allocated by denomination, okay? So if there's a $5, you want to put the $5 in a certain section, the $10 in a certain section, $20 in a certain section, etc., etc. If you're in the UK, British pounds, all right, we start from £5, £10, £20, 50 pounds. Okay, so you can put them in different sections. Now, obviously, sometimes there's only a few slots, so you want to put the higher ones in a certain slot and the lower ones in the lower slot. So just have it organized and make sure they're in order from lowest to highest, right? And just have it in the order and have organization in your wallet, okay? Because you want to start getting organized around your money. The more organized you can become around money, the more financial success you can have. Now, there's a book called The Millionaire Mind Secrets, or Secrets of a Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker, which shows you how to manage your money. It's so important that you understand these principles. It'll radically shift your life and help you increase your finances and your financial freedom. So make sure you check out that book, okay? And then step number 3 here, step numero number 3 is start spending the money with your imagination, using the power of your emotion. When you see something you like, you remember and you recall that you have that money in your wallet and you go spend it. And know that it's coming back to you. Okay, so have the feeling of it's coming back to you. You're spending and it's coming back to you. Your wallet replenishes by itself. You see how that works? And so you have that money in your wallet. You see it. You don't actually use it. You use it in a way of using this money in your wallet as a tool, as like a sort of leverage to go and invoke the emotions of buying that particular thing. So you can look at your wallet and feel the feeling of the money, and then you can go spend it imaginary on that thing, and then feel what it would feel like to have it. And also you can buy more things and more things and more things, and you can keep on buying things throughout your day. I actually got this from Esther Hicks, Abraham Hicks, where you can just keep on spending and spending and spending and buying stuff. And what you're invoking is that you are able to buy all of this stuff. You're invoking the emotion of abundance. So you're buying this, you're buying this, you're buying this, you're buying this, and feeling the feelings of buying all these things. And the money keeps replenishing, replenishing, replenishing in your wallet. And that's why it's called the magic wallet, okay? The money magic wallet. All right, and as you begin doing this, I can tell you it sounds silly for some of you, like, I don't want to do that, Gavin, right? I used to do this, and from doing this I used to make a lot of money. Right? I'm talking about 5 figures, like a lot of money, not per year, I'm talking about per month. All right, so I used to make a lot of money doing this stuff. Even when I was making that amount of money, I used to still use it. Okay, so I want you to understand that I'm not just sharing this stuff with you out of random thin air or anything like that. This is stuff that I actually used to do. So I just want to give you some bonus tips, okay? So when you're buying something, when you're actually buying something and paying for something, give gratitude, give love as you are spending. When those bills come in, give love to those bills. Don't be like, oh, I've got these bills. Okay, you're paying for a service. You're paying for the home you're in. You're exchanging value for something else. You need to understand there's an exchange going on. And when you it's like someone stealing from you, and you don't want to be in the vibration of someone stealing from you or not wanting to pay for something. You want to be in the emotion of, this is easy to pay for. I pay for things easily. I make things happen, right? That's the kind of vibrational state you want to be in. So notice your day by day emotions around money and learn to shift that into being more abundant. What would it be like to, make 6 figures or be a millionaire or whatever it is? And how would that person act and feel around spending and the bills, etc., etc.? Now, I know your reality doesn't necessarily align, or it may not align with that right now, but that's the key. You want to learn how to feel your way into the life that you want. Okay, it's all about navigating your feeling and your emotions into the life that you want. And as you build more confidence, and as you become more congruent, and as you feel more amazing around the area of money, you're able to manifest more money into your life. And also what I would like to say is, in terms of making money, you want to learn to develop your passion work, your purpose work. You want to operate from the 5D. You want to invoke the law of attraction in a way where it's not just about material success, but you're getting those downloads from the universe. You're doing your purpose work, you're doing your mission, you're doing what you love. And when you operate from love, when you operate from the heart chakra, when it comes to money, money easily flows into your life because you're passionate about it. I just had a discussion with my brother talking about different career paths that you could go down. And one of the things that we discussed is making sure that you do something that you're passionate about, or at least a little bit interested in, because as you're interested in it and you like it and you're enjoying it, what happens is you take more action on it. You provide more value in that particular role. You feel good in it. And as you begin to feel good in it, guess what? You get up the ladder much quicker. You grow much quicker. You're able to get the raise much quicker. You're able to grow in that career path much quicker, or that business much quicker. I remember I was doing a business that I wasn't necessarily passionate about, and for some reason I just couldn't get ahead. It's because I wasn't passionate about it. It was hard work. I had to push through a lot of resistance, and I was just after the money, and money doesn't motivate me, you see. And so I needed to shift my career path into what I'm doing now, where I'm actually passionate about it and I'm actually connected to it in a very deep way. Now, some people are motivated by money, some people are not. And I'm realizing more now than ever, the millennials, they need to do work that they're a little bit more passionate about. And people who are a little bit older, they are starting to transition into work that they're more passionate about. They're realizing that they've been in a career a long period of time and they're wanting to make a change, they're wanting to make a shift. And so this is one of the steps that you can begin taking right now, is following these 3 steps to begin feeling more abundant again, begin enjoying the process of money, the process of paying bills, the process of paying people. And then also you want to enjoy the process of receiving money and getting paid. And maybe not getting paid and spending it right away, but getting paid and managing and enjoying managing your money, and knowing that you're thinking long term and not the short term dopamine releases, but the long term dopamine releases that you can get from managing your money and looking into the future. So the 3 tips that I shared with you in this video is get a fresh wallet. All right, so you got a brand new wallet, brand new energy, brand new purse, brand new energy. Number 2, get some play money. You can order it on Amazon. You can find real looking money that you can put in your wallet, and you can buy like $1 million bills. I used to buy $1 million bills, and I used to have a few of them. Sometimes I would hand them out to people, some of the people that I would meet at seminars and stuff like that, because it was like, oh, I want one, right? They were really interested in it. It was actually quite shocking to me that people were actually interested in having that, because they understood straight away why I had it in my wallet. They knew I was invoking the law of attraction. Okay, so they wanted one, and so I would give them out and hand them out sometimes, which is really cool. So spreading the abundance. Oh yes, got to spread some abundance, right? And then the last one here is you want to begin spending that money with your emotions. What would it be like to emotionally spend that on the different things that you're wanting and desiring or want to make happen in your life? And what I would say is feel the feelings of how normal that feels. Okay, the more normal it feels, the more natural it feels, the more you're going to be able to create that and manifest that into your life. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you my journey around the area of sex. I haven't had sex for 1 complete year, so I'm celebrating right now. I'm going to be making a video on that. So make sure you check out the video. Click the subscribe and notification bell so that you don't miss that video. And why I actually do that. Why is Gavin doing this? Why? Okay, so I'm going to be talking about that in that particular video. And right now we offer neutrality shifting coaching. So if you want to increase your income, your finances, you want to attract more abundance and success into your life, neutrality shifting is for you, because it shifts your personality into the reality that you want. Maybe you want to follow a different career, you want to change your purpose, you want to follow your purpose, you want to get in alignment with taking action on that purpose, then neutrality shifting is for you. Okay, so click the link in the description or check out neutralityshifting.com, or there should be a video on screen right now that you can click on and check out the one-on-one coaching. Okay, keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.